Assalamualaikum and good day. Today I'm going to show you how to import and declare data into STATA, and if your data being a daily data, quarterly data, or even monthly data. So for daily data, I'm going to show you how to import a 5-day daily data into STATA, and then followed by another two set of videos to declare your data, if your data is a quarterly panel data and quarterly time series, and also a monthly time series and also monthly panel data. So you will notice that in Stata you have this command or line for percentage T something. Okay, percentage TD stands for daily. You have percentage TQ, Q stands for quarterly, and then you have percentage TM, which M stands for monthly. Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to import a 5-day daily data into Stata. So if you deal with finance or trading data that where your data starts from Monday to Friday every week, and we don't have data on Saturday and Sunday, so importing data into Stata is not as straightforward if you compare using the same or similar command for monthly or quarterly. So first, I'm going to show you how to import your data into Stata. So the do file and also the sample data set is also will be shared to you in online in Google Drive. Okay, so first let's import or clear clear all, and then meaning you just want to make sure that this box is empty. Okay, and then okay, so this is where my CSV file is located. So if you want to do it manually, you can just go to File, Import, CSV, and then you can locate where your file is. In this case is daily data example. So you click OK. So now I've imported the data and you can view your data. So we have date variable and also the time series variable BR. So you can see that the date variable is in red because Stata detect this variable as a string variable, okay, not integer or floating or float variable. So first, you need to remove this problem first. So the simple command or straightforward command, but first, okay, you need to check, okay, how your daily data is formatted. So in most cases, you will have your data in the form of day, month, and year. So day in the first, okay, so day, month, and year. So in the command line or in the code, so that's why you have D and Y, date, month, and year. If your data in the format of month, date, and year, so it should be M, D, and Y, MDY. So first, let's highlight this line, generate daily. So I'm going to rename my date data as daily, followed by the date command, and then date DMY. Okay, generate daily, and then we want to declare this data set as being a daily data format percentage TD daily referring to the newly renamed variable, and then TS set, okay, command line, the command line for declaring your data to be a time series data. TS set daily being the daily variable, the variable name for the date, and comma daily. So this part is where this is the line because you are using a daily data. Okay, so we highlight these two lines here. Okay, so now you can see that there is no error in this line. So let's view the data first. So you can see that the date variable now is renamed to daily. So 6th of March is 06 March 1996. 11 of March, okay, 11 MAR 1996. So far everything is okay. The red now has turned into black. So the string now is become floating variable, which is correct. But you have this line here, but with gaps. Why gaps? Because we are dealing with a 5-day data set, okay, instead of a continuous 7-day data set. So if your data is a 7-day week, so you shouldn't have this problem. But if you're dealing with monthly, daily finance data, okay, trading data from Monday to Friday, excluding Saturday and Sunday, so you want to remove the but with gaps uh, line here. So to do this, okay, so I managed to find this code in the website, in the blogspot. Okay, so we use the bcal command line. Okay, so you can just copy and paste this directly. Okay, so first, the date variable in the previous line is daily. So from bcal create, we rename it as new date. Okay, and then daily is the date variable in the previous line, replace, and then we want to rename the new date variable as bcaldate. Okay, so let's highlight the first 4 lines first and see what happens. Okay, so first you can see that the bcal stands for business calendar. So what STATA has done is to declare this is as a business calendar, meaning it only take into account Monday until Friday data set, okay, omitting Saturday and Sunday. So we have successfully done that. So now let's declare the data to be a time series data. So TS set bcal date. So let's view the data. So you can see that date in the first command, when we use this line, okay, we rename the date to be daily. So that's why we have daily here. In the second set of command, we have rename the daily into bcal date. So that's what we have here. So both are similar, okay, but one thing, the main difference is that the problem of, or the line but with gaps has now been removed. Okay, so STATA is able to pick up the data as a 5-day week data from 6th of March until 15th February 2019. So if you are dealing with a 5-day trading data, so this is one of the way, okay, to declare your data into STATA for a time series data set. Thank you.